The DevExpress HTML edit control is a rich text editor that allows you to display and edit HTML content in .NET MAUI applications. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with this control, display and edit HTML content, add tables, and open DOCX files. Let's start with a blank .NET MAUI application created from the DevExpress .NET MAUI project template. This template already includes the HTML edits NuGet package. Add an HTML file to your project. Add the HTML edit control to the main page.xaml file. In this video, we use the .NET Meteor extension for VS Code. It allows you to build, debug, and deploy .NET MAUI applications on devices or emulators. It also supports IntelliSense. To enable it, let's build the project. Specify the HTML source property in XAML to display the file we've added to the project. Let's run the application to see our file. As you can see, when we open the device keyboard, it overlaps the content. To avoid this, we should place the HTML edit control in the Safe Keyboard Area View control. This control is a container that shrinks vertically when you open a device keyboard to avoid content overlap. It also allows you to display custom content in the keyboard area. The latter feature also allows you to display an extended set of toolbar actions in the keyboard area. The HTML edit control performs most of its operations asynchronously, which prevents the UI from freezing. Therefore, to programmatically modify a document, you need to wait until it's loaded. For this, you can use the setHTMLSourceAsync method instead of the HTML source property. The HTML Editor API allows you to call asynchronous methods sequentially. To modify the content header in code, we should select the required characters with the setSelectionRangeAsync method, and then specify properties that start with the selected text. In this video, we specify selected text heading level and selected text foreground properties. Let's run the application to see what we have. You can also use the toolbar to perform the same actions from a UI. To show the toolbar, set the Show Toolbar property to True. You can also add or remove buttons in the built-in toolbar. To do this, replicate the built-in toolbar in XAML and add or remove the required items. We created a GitHub repository that has already replicated the built-in toolbar to make customization easier. The link to the repository is in the description section below. The HTML markup generated by the HTML edit control does not contain unnecessary tags and closely matches what you see in the editor. Even after all the required modifications, you can use HTML markup later in your application, for example, in email clients and CMS systems. Here's how the file content looks after all the modifications we've made. To insert a table, use the toolbar item, which allows you to select the number of columns and rows. Although HTML edit doesn't work with DOCX files directly, you can use the OfficeFile API to convert DOCX to HTML and edit it in the control. After that, pass the conversion results to the setHTMLSourceAsync method. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, you can leave us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And you can also email support@devexpress.com, and please include the link to this video. Thanks for watching, and thank you for choosing DevExpress.